We're gonna start this project with large brush. Starting from the top, we'll begin covering our artwork with blue paint. Now you can dip your brush in lighter shade of blue and continue covering your artwork. We'll leave some space on the bottom of the artwork white. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in light green and cover the rest of the artwork. You can blend green and blue together by using clean brush. Next, we're gonna switch to a medium-sized brush and beige color. We're gonna paint a circle in the middle of the artwork. After cleaning your brush, you can dip it in red paint and create a straight line under beige circle. We're gonna make this line a little bit thicker by adding another line. You can wash and wipe your brush and then dip it in dark blue paint. We'll create a small square under the red line and we'll paint it in. We'll continue painting jumpsuit by adding 2 thicker lines. Next, we'll add 2 lines connecting jumpsuit to shoulders of the Scarecrow. After wiping your brush with paper towel, you can dip it in brown paint and create a straight line from the Scarecrow all the way down. Next, we'll create 3 circles on the right side of the Scarecrow. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in orange paint and create a straight or slightly tilted line on top of Scarecrow's head. Then we'll add another half circle and paint it in. We're gonna switch to a smaller brush and yellow paint to create couple ovals on the left side. Next, we'll keep using yellow to add hay sticking from the sleeves. We'll keep adding yellow lines, this time from the bottom of the pants. We'll add couple yellow brush strokes on both sides of Scarecrow's face. Now we'll add yellow petals to each sunflower. Next, we'll paint sun by creating a circle and painting it in. Now you can add sun rays. Now we'll add a small yellow dot on top of the head. After wiping your brush with paper towel, you can dip it in dark green paint and start creating stems for each flower. We're gonna do the same thing for each corn. Next, we'll start adding leaves on both sides of each stem. These sunflower leaves will be oval or almond shape. Next, we'll start painting leaves for corn. We'll start all the way at the top by adding 2 thin leaves on both sides of the yellow part of the corn. Next, we'll keep adding more leaves on both sides of each stem. We'll add grass on the bottom of the artwork by painting thin green lines. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in black paint and create 2 black circles on Scarecrow's face. Next, we'll use black paint and small brush to create sunflower seeds by adding small dots on the brown part of each sunflower. After wiping your brush, you can use brown paint to add small brown dots on top of the corn. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in orange paint and add more dots on yellow part of the corn. We'll keep using orange paint to create a triangle nose on Scarecrow's face. After cleaning your brush, you can use red paint to add more red dots. We'll continue using red paint to add petals to the flower on head. Using red paint, you can add a smile. We'll add a red patch on Scarecrow's jumpsuit. After wiping your brush, you can use orange paint to add another patch. After cleaning your brush, you can use light blue paint to add another patch on top of the jumpsuit. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in white paint to create outline for cloud. Then you can paint it in. You can repeat the same steps to add another cloud next to it. We'll keep using white to add tiny dot in each eye. Next we'll use black to paint couple birds in the sky. Your final step will be to sign your name in the corner. Don't forget to like and subscribe.